Assalomu alaykum. So, buvam bilan man debate qilyapmiz. Men aytyapmanki, buva mana bunday turib, to'shalab turarsin deyapman. Buva, mana to'shalab turarsin deyapman, a? Buva mani podushkalarini orqasiga bunday qilib atrofiga qo'ygan deyapti. Men buni unchalik yoqtirmayman, bunday qo'polroq his qilinadi menga. А вы как думаете, вот эти ijtimolarda qoldiraymi bitta или anetga taklab bunday qilib olay, chiroyli qilib stack qilib taklab qo'yaymi? Nima deb o'ylaylar? Пожалуйста, what do you think? Should I leave this on? These on? I really like them. I think they've room. It looks a lot better, and they're a lot more comfortable. But what would you say that I would do? Because you have to imagine, like, I'm gonna have to put these back on as well, so it will be kind of busy on the couch.